In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add students in Kajabi. We'll be walking through the simplest way to add a student manually inside your Kajabi account. This is a useful option when you want to enroll one person at a time, rather than importing a full list. Start from your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the main navigation and click on Contacts. This is the area where Kajabi stores and manages the people in your system, including leads, customers, and students. After that, click on All Contacts. This will open the full contact list so you can add a new person from the same place where you manage existing users. Next, click Add Contacts. Kajabi gives you more than one option here. You can either import contacts using a CSV file if you're adding multiple people, or you can add a single student manually. For this walkthrough, choose Add Single Contact. Now you'll fill in the student's information. Enter the student's first name in the first name field, then type in their last name in the last name field. After that, enter the student's email address carefully. Make sure the email is accurate, since this is usually how the student will receive access and communication. If you want to give the student immediate access to a course, look for the Grant Offers option. Check that box, then choose the specific offer or course from the drop-down menu. This is an important step if you want the student to be enrolled right away instead of only being added as a contact. Once everything looks correct, click Save. And that's it. The student has now been added to Kajabi, and if you granted an offer, they'll also have access to the selected course. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to review the details one last time before saving, especially the email address and selected offer, to help avoid access issues later on.